Class 3, we were talking about advanced tools of paint. We have done with moving and copying objects, copy and paste, undo and redo. Today we will start with rotate and flip. Before that, I want to mention in copy and paste, we have many steps. Like in the last lecture, we can directly use shortcut keys to copy our object, that is Ctrl plus C. In our keyboard, we can press Ctrl plus C to copy an object in our drawing. And likewise, for paste, we have Ctrl plus V. By pressing these keys, we can paste our drawing. Like here we have select this drawing, and in other drawing we paste it. Now there are two. You can see these objects are pasted by using these keys. These are shortcut keys. You don't have to follow all these steps, right? And for undo and redo, we also have a shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Z for undo and Ctrl plus Y for redo. Now rotate and flip. This tool is used to change the angle of the whole or selected part of the drawing. Like in this picture, you can see it was like this. By following the steps, its angle is changed in this direction or in this direction. Now resize a drawing. Resize a drawing. This option is used to increase the size of the drawing or part of the drawing. We don't have any shortcut key for it. Now next is skew command. Skew command is used to twist the drawing in the horizontal or vertical direction. For this, we also have a shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus W. We don't follow all these steps. We can only select the drawing and we can like this. We are twisting it, the drawing. Original drawing is this, and by pressing Ctrl plus W, drawing is in this position. Next we have zoom in and zoom out option. Zoom in is used for a larger view of the drawing or image, and zoom out option is used for smaller view of the image. Like now we can also use these drawings for our desktop background. You know, desktop is that screen when we open our computer, when we on it, the screen which appears, that is desktop, and when we click the paint button, and there is an option of set desktop background. We can select any option and we can set our image as desktop. We can then set our image as desktop background. This is all for today, and here our chapter is completed. Now you will solve your worksheets and question answers.